ومسلما أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لئن شكرتم لأزيدنكم وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم حب الوطن شطر الإيمان أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما الصلاة والسلام عليك يا سيد يا رسول الله وعلى آلك وأصحابك يا سيد يا حبيب الله. Dear chief guest, respected teacher, honorable guest and my fellow, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I have given a chance to deliver a speech on the topic the role of youth in nation building. Dear audience, youth is the spring of life. It is the age of discovery and dreams. They have the power to transform the nation into a better place. They also have the ability to lead their fellow citizens into right direction. Youth are fighters. They fight for an identity in society, equality, the homeless, employment, exploitation, poverty, and other problems with the world focus today. Dear audience, the youth are our life and nation. They will make our country pride. The country will be recognized. In fact, youth play one of the most important roles in nation building. Dear audience, youth are not only the leader of tomorrow, but also the partner of today. Young people are social actors of change and progress. They are a crucial segment of the nation. Their contribution, therefore, is highly needed. Dear audience, national building refers to the process of engaging all the citizens in the development of a nation. The future is the present of our country is in the hands of its youth, so the contribution of youth is important and structuring the nation. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ